Okay, we're here with Chef Madeline.
Madeline.
And?
My sous chef.
Your sous chef, Uncle Mike. Okay, Madeline, what are we going to cook today?
Salmon.
Yes, chef. Okay, let's pull up FultonFishMarket.com. Ooh, what do you think about sweet orange salmon? Yeah? Okay. So, quick and easy, sweet orange glaze. We need salmon portions, orange juice, tamari, honey, corn, and cucumber. Okay, Patrick is getting ready to eat. Okay, let's take a break while we go find the ingredients. Of cucumbers, because we're doubling the recipe. This is a half cup, so how many do you need? 2. Nice job. Okay, so put the cucumbers in. Okay, that's good. Okay, what type of fish are we eating tonight?
Salmon.
Salmon? Tommy, do you know what salmon is? You don't know what salmon is? Fish's body. It's not a fish's, well,
What's
I guess
yours?
it comes from the fish's body. It comes from a salmon. What? Okay. What's another type of fish, Tommy?
Goldfish.
Goldfish? Yeah, we don't eat goldfish.
Nice fish. Nice fish.
Knife fish?
A knife fish?
Swordfish.
Swordfish. Yeah.
That's a real fish. Swordfish.
Okay, what do we do next, guys? We like chicken. We like fish more than we like chicken. Okay, Madeline, do you know what you do if you spill some salt?
You eat it.
That's a pretty good answer, but it's bad luck if you spill salt. So what you need to do is you need to take a little bit
Don't throw it in this kitchen.
and then you toss it over your shoulder. Try it, Madeline. We spilled a little. Well, first you have to spill a little. Oh, okay, now take a little and toss it over your shoulder.
Tommy,
Okay.
you don't open with your teeth.
Okay. Let's see if we have the right set of ingredients in there. What do you think, Chef?
It's good.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like orange and salty and sweet.
Okay, sounds delicious to me. Let's start heating this up. Madeline, is the sauce boiling yet?
Yes.
It's boiling? Okay, we gotta reduce it to a simmer. To use
Can I
your
go
favorite, the thingy.
He's very flipping
Okay.
fast. What the heck?
So, dip it in there, and you're gonna brush each piece of salmon. Get a whole bunch in there, just a little. Yeah, you're gonna brush each piece 4 times. Good job. Okay. Chef, this is looking pretty good.
More like she's a sous chef. You're the chef.
She's the chef.
All right, next one.
Don't you see the hat?
Yes. But where's your uniform and all?
Caroline, your head's in the video. You want to say something?
Stop filming.
Nice job, Chef. Chef, this is looking good.
She shouldn't be the chef. She doesn't cook the food.
She is gonna be cooking the food.
No, we're going to bake it in the oven.
So the oven is
That's good.
oven.
Okay, Chef Madeline, what do you think? How's it look?
It looks good.
Okay, you wanna, so we're gonna let it sit just for a minute here. Okay, so it can keep cooking, and then we're gonna taste it. Okay, Chef Madeline, you wanna take the first bite?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm excited.
Okay, here we go.
Was it hot?
Blow on it. Okay. What do we think?
Cool tomorrow.
Amazing.
Do the salmon dance. Celebrate our dish, Madeline. We're doing the salmon dance.
Cookie, cookie, cookie.
5 it.